Hey artists, welcome to this week's art class. Our lesson is called Retro Car Collage, Lesson 2. Last week, you guys drew retro cars like a Volkswagen bus and a pink Cadillac or whatever color you used. And this week, you are starting your final artwork. Before I move on in a moment, I want you to answer this question for yourself. What is a collage? I'll say it again. What is a collage? Maybe you know exactly what it is. Maybe you're hearing it for the very first time, the word collage. I want you to think about for yourself what that could mean, whether you know it or whether you don't know it. And we'll explain it in a moment. So our guiding question is still the same. It's how do I draw retro cars? So this week you're still going to be starting with drawing a brand new retro car of your choice, whether it's the Volkswagen bus, the Surf bus, or the Cadillac. And you're going to be choosing which one to draw based off of which one is your favorite. So that means that you're going to be re-watching the videos and drawing it again. And our learning target is I can draw a retro car and create a collage background. So part 1 is drawing it. Part 2 is creating the background, which is going to be a blast, and I'm so excited. All right, did you think about that question? What is a collage? Let's go over it. So a collage is when you cut paper and you glue it to another piece of paper. That's the simplest way I could define it. So a collage is when you cut paper and you glue it to another piece of paper. So this is Miss Wright's example. This is my example of this week's lesson. You see, I already have my car, so we've already practiced with that. But all of the background details like the sunset and the palm trees, those were also collaged on top. So everything that you see here on this black background paper was cut out, glued, and pasted on top to create my final artwork, which is my retro car collage. And it's going to be you guys' turn in a moment. So I'm really excited about that project. Let's go ahead and get started, starting with talking about our materials.